The students, it is the second video for week 6, and we are covering the reign of Ayub Khan, mean the tenure of Ayub Khan, the decade of development. In the first video, we discussed mainly the political development in Ayub Khan's tenure, the Basic Democracies Act and 1962 Constitution, and in this video we are going to talk about the agricultural reforms. As Mr. Ayub Khan and his economic team was well aware of the fact that Pakistan is primarily an agricultural country. Thereby, boosting the agriculture will remove the shortage of food which Pakistan had to face in 1952-53, and because of that shortage of food, it affected the temperaments of the people, and it also affected on the political situation, and the riots start in East Pakistan and as well as West Pakistan for the demand of food. Well, so the Ayub Khan's advisors asked Ayub Khan to pass a law that the big farms should be designed. Clear? So a law was passed that no farm shall be smaller than 12.5 acres. एक कोई भी खेत जो है, फार्म हाउस जो है, वो 12.5 एकड़ से कम नहीं होना चाहिए और 500 एकड़ से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए इन इरिगेटेड एंड, और 1000 एकड़ अनइरिगेटेड जो है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. It also gave opportunity to the big landowners to cultivate the crops, and the big landowners took the greatest benefit because government provided them machinery, equipment. Also they were provided with agriculture. Also they were provided funds. Fine. So this is how the agriculture product was, say, developed. In Ayub Khan's agricultural reforms, there were 3 major things happened. Number one, the water dispute with India on the major rivers was settled. Clear? That water dispute with India was settled by the World Bank. With the help of World Bank, the above, World Bank, and the the Treaty of Indus Water gave right Pakistan over the Indus River, Jhelum, and Chenab, whereas Satluj, Beas, and Ravi were given to India. Three dams, Tarbela Dam and were built. Three major dams were built to irrigate, to develop irrigation. Also, the poor farmers were provided uh, money to purchase the seed and others. In short, Ayub Khan's development for the agriculture is very important. Second thing is industrialization. Ayub Khan's uh, economical or the Ayub Khan's advisors also convinced him that without installing the latest industry, the country cannot progress. Thereby, loans were taken from USA, Germany, and UK. Also, the industrial help was sought from these countries. In result, in 1962, an oil refinery was established in Karachi. A mineral development corporation for exploration of mineral deposits. In 1964, an economical union was formed with Iran and Turkey. The Regional Corporation for Development RCD means that in 1964 Ayub Khan also developed relations with the countries like Iran and Turkey for the help in assistance in trade, commerce, and industry. Uh, with these two major efforts, the average annual rate in 1960 grew with 7%, and this was three times more than India. Production did rise rapidly and Pakistani economy improved significantly. But unfortunately, this new wave of wealth and better economy couldn't help the large number of Pakistanis that uh, almost 22 families control the 66% of Pakistanis इंडस्ट्रियल एसेट कि पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी का जो 66% है वो 22 खानदानों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ and these same families control the 80% of Pakistani's banking and insurance companies. And there were other elite Pakistani who had almost controlled much of the wealth. Actually, the reason behind this collecting of the wealth may be the military rule, and maybe it is due to the uh, due to the corruption under the government officials that these people made a lot of money. Well, then the social reforms in Ayub Khan's tenure, much of the social reforms were made. Schools, colleges, universities, cinemas, theaters, newspapers, uh, they were introduced. Competition in schools and colleges and acclamations. And also, in Ayub Khan's tenure, the homeless people were given a right and possession of the land. New capital was designed. Islamabad was new capital. That on October 1961, Islamabad was decided to be built, and on October 1966, the first building in Islamabad was occupied. Well, Ayub Khan's tenure is marvelous in terms of progress and prosperity, yet political unrest happened. This political unrest happened that in 1965 war, after 1965 war, Ayub Khan almost defended the country successful and was highly popular. But he seized much of the power, political power, in the hands. And this gave extreme tension to the politicians in West Pakistan and especially in the East Pakistan. And this was the time that in West Pakistan Bhutto became a popular leader, and in East Pakistan Sheikh Mujib appeared as a very strong, aggressive politician. On October 1968, Ayub Khan, the students' protest against Ayub Khan started in West Pakistan, and finally, on March 1969, Ayub Khan resigned and he handed over the power to General Yahya Khan. And uh, unfortunately, Ayub Khan gave political liberty to the people, but it was quite late. Since then, the poison of separation and exploitation and Indian uh, conspiracy has swept into Pakistan. Thank you very much.